Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. New Windows 10 build to look at. This is build 21343 for Windows Insiders on the Dev channel. And we've got something new to see. We've got some new icons in File Explorer. And you may notice the first one here is the recycle bin's got a refreshed look using the fluent design that was kind of going all the way through Windows at the moment. You'll see. But if I open up File Explorer, straight away you can see the changes. The drives look different. You see you've got the desktop folder, the documents, downloads, pictures, videos. You can see that these are all new. Along with the notepad icon changing like that, you can see that these changes are all coming through Windows. Maybe partly due to this rumoured Sun Valley release of Windows. It's going to have a lot of UI changes, but as you can see, these do look better. So gone are the old XP Vista type icons, and now we're back with these new ones. So I think they certainly look a lot better. Well, hopefully we'll see more of them spread throughout the operating system. I noticed the other day that you can see the icons in settings also look different as well. So especially like the system one and the ease of access one. So these visual changes. Right, other changes. If you use Windows Sandbox, which is like the isolated virtualized version of Windows which you can run, they've optimized the delivery methods so that it's got faster launch times for Windows Sandbox and Defender Application Guard. Other changes, Windows Administrative Tools is now called Windows Tools. So they're Windows Tools, so we've no longer got Administrative Tools, which probably makes sense. News and Interest is still not available. It's coming back at some point, but it's not there at the moment. And that's the main changes. The rest of the lot of fixes, they fixed some blue screen issues or green screen the hours when you're on the dev builds around NVMe drives and Watchdog DPC Watchdog errors. They fixed some memory leaks with Recycle Bin and there's a whole list of them. I've got those on thedigital-lifestyle.com. There are still some known issues, especially with gaming. There's an issue with certain games will crash with this build and not sync data. They're working on a fix for that one, so probably don't want this build on your main gaming machine. The quick access folders that are pinned in File Explorer will disappear, and then you've got to repin those. And quick access may be missing completely, but they have a fix for that if you need that. I've got that on thedigital-lifestyle.com, and there's still issues with some ARM display drivers and brightness issues. But anyway, that's the main changes, but it's great to see some visual changes coming in there into Windows, and it does look better and more modern. So thanks for watching this video. You can find out more on thedigital-lifestyle.com and our YouTube channel, and you can get me on Twitter at @ISDixon.